How to make best CapCut quality tutorial. If any day you would like to save video from CapCut on the best quality on your mobile device, then do not worry as we have got the best solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to launch CapCut on your mobile device. For this, you have to go to the search icon on your mobile device and after then, you have to search CapCut there. After you search CapCut there, you can see the option of CapCut. Now you have to tap on the option of the CapCut and this way your very CapCut application will be launched on your very mobile device. After your CapCut application will be launched on your mobile device, you need to wait for a while because sometimes there may be some lagging problem and therefore it may some time for the CapCut to load on your very mobile device. So you have to wait for a while. After very CapCut will be launched on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now you can go to the option of the new project or you can go to any of the projects that you have made before. For example, I went to one of the projects that I made before and tap on that. Now after tapping on that, you can do all of the edits that you want on the very application or on the very type of video that you posted on the very CapCut. You can do all of the edits that you want. You can put any kind of audio there, you can put any kind of overlay there, you can put any of the effects there. There are so many beautiful effects such as the video effects, the photo effects and also the body effects, so you can use any of those effects. And if you have edited all of the video as per the way you want, now we go to the next process, that is enhancing the quality of the very video. For that, you have to go to the top icon there, and if it's 1080p in the resolution, you have to set it to 2K or 4K. And also in regards to the frame rate, you have to make it to the 60 fps, because this way it will be more smoother playback. And the code rate as well, you have to make it to the highest here. And if you do like this, and you have to tap on the option on the top right here, and this way you have to save this very video to the device, and this very video will be exported on its best quality on your mobile device. And this is the best quality CapCut tutorial for you. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.